Dear student, today we are going to talk about things. Yes, Subject English, Unit 1, page number 9. Wow, a fish. Yes, a fish. Ria caught a golden fish. A rabbit. The small white rabbit was hopping around in the grass. A lion. The big strong lion roared. A biscuit. I like most. A biscuit. The biscuit is round, crunchy and tasty. I also like it. A nose. He has a long nose and she has a small nose. A rock. There was a hard black rock in the corner of the garden. A pair of socks. Nikhil is wearing a pair of blue socks. Oh, a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Make a meaningful sentence. Oh, yes. There is a bright blue star in the sky. Dear student, make more meaningful phrases with the help of useful words. Okay, bye.